Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all. So today we are going to look at work. So what is work? So in physics, work is defined as force times displacement in the direction of the force. So basically when we talk about work, there are two main components. The first one is force, the second one is displacement. Next, we are going to look at this later. Next, so what is the symbol for work? So the symbol for work is capital W. Next, we are going to look at mathematical equation for work. So mathematical equation for work is work is equal to force times displacement in the direction of the force. So that's the mathematical equation. Next, we are going to look at the SI unit. SI unit for work. As work is equal to force times displacement. So the SI unit for work is equal to SI unit for force times SI unit for displacement. So we are going to get SI unit for force is Newton times SI unit for displacement is meter. So the SI unit for work is Newton meter. Special unit. So special unit for work is joule. J. So 1 Newton meter is equivalent to 1 joule. Okay. Example 1. Imagine that we have a person pushing a wall. Okay. The person exerts 100 Newton of force, but the wall does not move. So what is the work done by the person? So work is equal to force times displacement. So force is 100 Newton times 0 meter. So you will get 0 Newton meter or 0 joule. Example 2. Let's say that we have a dog here. A dog pushing a ball. Okay. The dog gives, say, 10 Newton of force, and the ball is pushed for 5 meters. So the ball is pushed for 5 meters. Okay. Okay. So the amount of work done by the dog is W is equal to force times displacement. So you will get 10 Newton times 5 meters equals to 50 Newton meter or 50 joules. Example number 3. So let's say that you have a force. Acting on a trolley. This is a trolley. Okay. Okay. The force of, let's say, 50 Newton at an angle of 60 degrees. And the trolley moves in that direction. Let's say the trolley moves for 5 meters in that direction. the displacement is equal to 5 meters. So what is the amount of work done by the person? So we have W is equal to F times S. But remember, when we talk about force, displacement is the displacement in the direction of the force. Meaning, the direction of displacement and force must equal. So if we look at here, what we have is, this is our force, going like this, F is equal to 50 Newton, and the displacement is going to the right hand side of the trolley, equals to 5 meters. So we cannot simply calculate 50 Newton times 5 meters because 50 Newton is not in the same direction of the displacement. So what we are going to do is, we are going to look at the components of the force. So this is the components of the force. If this one is called F, so this one is called F component Y, and this one is called F component X, with an angle of 60 degrees. So F is not in the same direction of displacement. Fy is not in the direction of the displacement, as the displacement is going to the right and Fy is going to the downwards. In this case, the component of force that is in the same direction as displacement is Fx, as Fx is going to the right and displacement is going to the right as well. So what we are going to do is, W is equal to F times S, and in this case, the force that is in the same direction of with the displacement is Fx, so Fx times displacement. So how to find Fx? So Fx can be found from Pythagorean theorem. So this is 60 degrees. This is your F is equal to 50 Newton. This is your Fx, and this is your Fy. So we have cos of 60 is equal to Fx divided by F, hence F is equal to Fx is equal to F cos 60 is equal to 50 Newton cos 60, 50 Newton times 0.5 is equal to 25 Newtons. So our force in the X component is 25 Newton times displacement is 5 meters is equal to 125 Newton meters, or 125 joule. Okay, thank you very much. That is work.